channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be doing a spicy garlic chicken over rice, you guys. This week is more of a, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. I'm super busy, but I didn't take anything out of the freezer type of week, you guys. So I have here some frozen, y'all see that? It's frozen. I have some frozen chicken thighs. I have some Tony's Creole seasoning, some paprika, some garlic and parsley. I have some garlic and onion, garlic and herb. I have some Himalayan salt. Here I have a half a cup of ketchup. Then here I have a couple of tablespoons, excuse me, of hot sauce. Then I have 3 tablespoons of honey. And then I have my pressure cooker here, okay? So this is gonna be my first time using this pressure cooker. It is a Power Pressure Cooker XL. This is not promo or anything. This is just literally, I seen this pressure cooker and I wanted it, so I got it. Okay, my creators, let's get it. So if you haven't done, I have my rice here and I have put some carrots in there along with some honey. So my rice at the bottom and carrots at the top. A whole complete meal going on here, y'all. So, safety first. Gotta let all that steam out. And I love this pressure cooker because it has a safety function to where if it's too much pressure in it, it won't even open, you guys. So, let's see what it looks like. I won't trouble y'all ears with that. So I'm gonna let this pressure out and then we'll see what we got. Make sure your top is on with this pressure cooker because you don't want to it to be a mess. So because I am cooking this like quickly, you want to make sure that your steam is off. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we have a few functions here. We have delay timer, we have canning and preserving, we have soup and stew, slow cooker, rice, which is awesome because I meal prep for people throughout the week. And I was like, just telling my husband I needed a bigger rice cooker. And y'all, I bought this thing so long ago. I just never used it, and I'm thankful that I can use it now. So I have a bigger rice cooker and a steamer. I'm so excited. Beans and lentils. You have fish and steam vegetables, or vegetable steam. I read that backwards. Then we have some chicken and meat. That's what we're going to use. Time adjustment, keep warm. So what we're going to do is we're going to do chicken and meat, and then we're going to do, I guess what we'll do is, well, it just went on that. So quick. Well, let me see. I guess I got to play around with this thing. Okay, so let's do that. And then I can select, okay. So I'll select an hour, okay, for my cook time. It's 6:32. Hopefully I'll have dinner on the table by 8 o'clock. Maybe. That's still late, but it's pretty good to put a meal together quickly. Okay, you guys, so we're going to come back in an hour and see how it looks. Hopefully this does not fail me in my plan for a quick meal that's frozen works. Thanks for staying with me, my creators. Show you guys, I finally got it to work. So if you haven't done, I have my rice here and I have put some carrots in there along with some honey. So my rice at the bottom and carrots at the top. A whole complete meal going on here, y'all. So, safety first. Gotta let all that steam out. And I love this pressure cooker because it has a safety function to where if it's too much pressure in it, it won't even open, you guys. So let's see what it looks like. I won't trouble y'all ears with that. So I'm gonna let this pressure out and then we'll see what we got. I put y'all all over the place. Moment of truth. Oh my goodness. I can never get it off. If I can ever get the top off. Look at that, you guys. We have dinner, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and plate this up, you guys. I'm so excited. This looks bomb. Looks bomb. It was frozen and everything. Y'all gotta give it up to the girl. I'm telling y'all, There's no reason why you cannot get this pressure cooker and cook. They need to go ahead and send me a Primo. No, I'm just kidding. But I love this pressure cooker, you guys. First time and I fell in love. Look at that chicken, y'all. Look at the broth and everything. Okay, we're going to plate this up. Enough talking. Enough talking. So let's go ahead and... Oh, these are the accessories that came with it as well. Like a steamer, and then also a rack came with it as well. And this little spoon that I'm using right here. So let's go ahead and plate this up. This rice came out nice and juicy looking. I did put butter on there. So of course, you guys know I always say presentation matters with whatever you're doing. You're doing anything, do it with excellence, okay? So I'm gonna make the rice kind of like, let me see, we gonna do it like this. We gonna do something, okay? We gonna make it look real fancy, like we did a whole lot and we literally did nothing, you guys. I was able to do a few other things while dinner was cooking. So I'm gonna put these carrots right on the side here. Right on the side. I always like to make stuff look so pretty, y'all. Why not? You know, why not? So let's go ahead and get this spoon. I got my chicken. Ooh, wee, y'all. Oh man, got my chicken, and I'm gonna see if I can. Ooh, there we go. Flip that bad boy, girl. Trying to tell y'all. Trying to tell you. Go ahead and put some broth down on that thing. That's something dangerous right there. Hold on, y'all. Y'all know I had to be extra. I had to go and get my green onion. I had to go and get that because this is just, man, I'm trying to tell you, the crunch of the green onion, it's just, you guys. Now, cook, chef, man, lady, child, it don't matter who you are, where you from, no reason why y'all can't do this. None at all. That's why I'm here. I'm here to show y'all how easy it is. Again, my name is Tish, and I get it in the kitchen, baby. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I'm glad we have dinner, y'all, because I didn't know what I was going to do. But thankfully, this came together. Thank you for staying with me. Until next time, my creators, thank you. Be blessed, and I will see y'all again, my babies. Have a good one.